I heard you want to buy an videoscope? Tell me and I will help you choose. If you only use it once or twice, don't buy it, just rent it. If you need to inspect frequently, you still need a professional industrial videoscope. First of all, it is necessary to clearly use the scenario to detect foreign objects such as water and dust in the environment. It is recommended to choose the probe protection level of the IP67 or above. For working environments with oil and dirt, oil-resistant glass lenses can be chosen. Plastic lenses are not recommended as they are more prone to oil leakage and are not durable. In the environment of high temperature, high voltage, or radiation, you can customize industrial videoscope with high temperature resistance, high pressure, and radiation resistance as needed. Secondly, we must understand the inner diameter and length that needs to be detected, and whether there are bending. Under the same specifications, the longer the insertion tube, the higher the cost. Therefore, you should try to choose the closest position from the test area. Choose the number of channels that need to be bent at the least and the smallest degree of bending. Select the appropriate insertion tube length based on this information. Try to choose a larger diameter insertion tube within the range allowed by the detection aperture, because the large diameter insertion tube can accommodate a higher resolution image sensor to obtain higher quality imaging. The more thin the insertion, the more complicated the manufacturing process, it will increase the overall manufacturing cost, and the price will be higher. In addition, lighting needs to be considered. The type of lighting source generally has white light, ultraviolet, and infrared. Infrared lighting is mainly used in night monitoring places to supplement light. Ultraviolet lighting needs to be used with the use of fluorescent agents to detect fine cracks in the inner surface. The most commonly used is the white light LED lighting. The light source temperature is close to the sun, and generally not less than 560 K under the conditions. The light source can also be divided into front LED and rear-mounted LED plus fiber light guiding. The front LED lighting mainly integrates multiple lamp beads on the front end of the probe. The maximum illuminance is 18,000 lux. The rear-mounted LED plus fiber light guiding uses optical fiber to transmit the higher power built-in light source to the front probe, and the illumination can reach 100,000 lx. While the service life is longer, it is 4 to 5 times that of the front lighting, or even higher. It can provide better lighting. Of course, the videoscope price of rear-mounted LED plus fiber light guiding will be higher. In actual work, users can adjust the degree of illumination according to the needs of the detection environment. Looking at the detection range, the communities or details that need to be observed must be observed, such as the inspection scenarios that are relatively narrow in internal space, such as precision machining and small equipment components, and the detection of micro defects. You can choose a near-focus lens. When a large area needs to be detected, the inner cavity of equipment such as aviation engines is large. It is recommended to choose a rear light source and videoscope to observe a larger area range and greatly improve the detection efficiency. Of course, many large equipment internal structures are complicated. For different detection goals, different detection needs are also available. A lens usually cannot meet all requirements. Therefore, a reasonable combination of exchange, different depth of field, angle of view, and 3D measurement insertion tube can improve the overall performance and detection efficiency of the system and effectively reduce costs. In addition, many people are not sure whether to choose a front view or side view. The front view is suitable for most inspection scenarios, while the side view is more suitable for inspection conditions that require higher side wall images, such as narrow pipes, difficult probe steering, and rough inner walls. The side view lens can obtain HD inner wall images. You can also choose Cointech front and side view interchangeable lenses, which are sturdy and not easy to fall off. Or use a front view and side view integrated insertion tube. Switch between straight and side views with one button, and the inspection is more efficient. If you only need to observe the defect or the survey, it is enough to choose a conventional videoscope. If you need to measure the defect, you need to choose videoscope with measurement function. Cointex 3D Measurement Industrial Videoscope has 9 measurement methods, including length, vertical, depth, multi-segment, and gap, etc. The measurement accuracy is 0.01 millimeters. The measurement error can be achieved under the standard operation of professionals. According to the specific need to determine the product type, C40 and X5 are suitable for single-player operations, light and easy to control, comfortable holding, C40 with magnetic suction base, and let it go. The X5 uses a 7-inch large screen with an external display screen, and the detection screen is displayed on the same screen. The C68 series uses an 8-inch touchscreen, which is more convenient to use. The C40 series is only used for observation and records, and the X5 and C68 series can also be equipped with measurement functions, which belong to the high-end models in the Cointex series products. According to actual needs, accessories such as foreign body clamps, centering devices, and handheld pole can be added. With these tools, foreign body clamping can be achieved so that the insertion tube can always be centered when testing the pipeline, and the insertion tube close to the probe can be fixed. Combined with these accessories, the videoscope can be used in more inspection scenarios. When selecting a model, you should consider your own needs and budget, and combine the above points to choose the most suitable videoscope.